I'm ringing. This is Chris from Mode Munch, and welcome to Fast Food Facts, the show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail product source whilst reducing the cost. Imagine 6 wing pieces with Thai herbs, then deep fried and served with sweet chili sauce. Well, for $9, that looks and smells divine. Namoi is located in southwestern Sydney. It is a Thai cuisine kitchen. Absolutely tremendous entrees and 2 trays and 3 trays. In fact, you can eat as much as you want, as long as you're willing to pay for it. I can't wait to gobble on those hot juicy bits of So start by cutting off the wingtips and the shoulder joints, keeping the drumettes and the wingettes placed into a baking tray, along with some fish sauce. Chuck in wings and put on some more fish sauce. And while all that's marinating, try de-seeding and chopping the peppers and chillies to make your sauce. Skin and crush your garlic cloves, place inside a food processor or blender to chop and combine well. By the time you finish, it should be a lumpy liquid. Next, boil some vinegar on a saucepan and add your lumpy liquid into the vinaigrina. You want to balance out that sweet and heat, so add about 3/4 cup of caster sugar. Yeah, I know it's a lot, but believe me, you don't want it. Leave it to reduce, then add half a cup of tapioca slurry to thicken. Place aside to cook. Before frying the chook wings, make sure to reduce this batter by drying the wings out on a paper towel. Place some lemon herb seasoning onto a plate, then add your chicken wings. Dust the wings with some rice flour, and the essential ingredient is your Thai herbs or core powder. It's spelled K-O-R-R. You can get it in any Asian place that sells it, like a grocery shop or a beautiful shop, whichever one you prefer. Flip the wings, then repeat step 1, or whatever step it is. Yeah, dust them and put some more core powder on, okay? Shallow fry in veg, flipping as needed. Came in at 480 and I'm really happy with that result. This is Chris from Mode Munch, and I shall see you next Tuesday. Nosh on!